Hello, you're welcome again to this video. To this particular video, I'll be showing you how to build a fintech website, how to build online banking for your project and the rest of them. So how to build a fintech website, just like what you are seeing here. All right, I tell you, this particular website is very, very amazing and it's easy to use. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to build this particular website here. All right, so now moving ahead, if you come over to this, you can see that all the pages have been integrated, all the menu tab are functioning. All right, so you can see all of that, and there's a language translator there, and then you can see that there's also a WhatsApp chat here. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can edit all of this in this particular video. Right, in this particular video. Okay, so I'll be showing you all of that. Now you can come over to this menu, you can see the home, the login, the create account, the lost card, and other things you can see on the menu item. Okay, you can see all of that: transfer, make deposit, and what have you. So you can see that there. Now moving ahead, let me show you the user side. All right, here's the user side. If you come to the user side here, you can see how well the user side is. Okay, you can see the dashboard, local transfer, international transfer, deposit, beneficiary. You can see all of that here. Okay, you can see support, profile, transactions. You can see websites. Okay, request for card. You can see checking. You can see savings. You can see investment. Okay, you can see all of that, two-factor authentication, logins allowed, and other many things you can see in this particular website. Now come to the local transfer here. You can see the local transfer. Come to international transfer. You can also see international transfer here. You can see the deposit. You can deposit with bank transfer, with cryptocurrency, with check. Okay, you can deposit with any of these things here. Okay, you can see you can deposit with any of these things whereby you can put in the amount. All right, any other description you want to add, then the proof of payment, you can upload it here. That is on this bank transfer. You can come to cryptocurrency, you do that, select the currency whereby you are. I'm also going to show you the admin, okay, whereby you can integrate all of that in the admin. You can see the cryptocurrency here. All right, you can see where you select your cryptocurrency, then you can put the amount, you can put all of that, then you upload your proof of payment, and the admin will be notified. Okay, then you can see check deposit, you can see all of that. There's also instruction of the check deposit. Okay, so you can see all that here. I see all of that in this particular this particular video. Okay, now moving ahead here, you can also see the dashboard here. You can see, okay, sorry, this is the user side now. Okay, then you come to the beneficiary here. You can see beneficiary. You can see the virtual card. Right, if you want to request a virtual card, you can see that fund. You can fund your virtual card. You can delete. You can deactivate your virtual card here. All right, you can create a new card. Okay, you can create a new card. All of that. You can see different type of card. You can see the master. You can see America Express. You can do all of that. Okay, so that is, you can also create a new card. You can see where it say create a new card. Then come to this part, you can see loan. You can request for loan, apply for loan. Right, you can apply for loan in this particular one. You can see all transaction, everything. You can see that in this particular side. That's after you create your account here. Once you create your account here, you can then access this as the user dashboard. Now moving ahead to the admin side, this is the admin. Okay, this is the admin. Then the admin, you can see all users, you can see pending verification, you can see deposit, you can see withdraw, you can see the transaction, you can see local transfers, you can see international transfer, you can see loan, then you can see where it says support, you can see website settings, you can see bank details. Remember I told you here where you can make deposit. If you come to this deposit here, so you can put that here, you can see the bank details. If you want to put the bank details, you can see that, you can add that. Then if you come to the, if you want to deposit with crypto, if you want to deposit with crypto, you can. Alright, so if you want to deposit with crypto, if you come to this deposit here, you will see the option I showed you that time. You can see the bank, you can see crypto, you can see check. So if you want to deposit with crypto, you also need to set your wallet here. You can see that, you can see wallet there. Alright, you can see all of that. You can see the wallet. So which you're also going to, if I come here now, I can come over to this part here, click on. So I can remove this. Just, alright, so you can, I'll just update that. Okay, so I'll just update it. Okay, let me close it. Good, has been updated. So I also come here, update this one too. Alright, so I'll just remove this. Just, okay, I'll click on update. Good, it has been updated. Then I also come here, I did this one too. Alright, remove this. So just also update it. Oh, sorry, let me use another this thing. I can just use another. Alright, so I'll click on update. Alright, click on update. You can see all of that. You can see where it says you want to add a new crypto wallet, you click on it. So you select the crypto. You can see the different this thing there. So if I want to select Litecoin now, then the network, if it's Ethereum or BSU, then you put this thing there. I can come here and I can just say this is the thing. I click on add. Can you see I've added a new crypto? Can you see that now? So if I also want to delete, I can come over to this part here. If I want, let's say I want to delete this one, I can click on it, click on OK. It has been deleted. You can see that everything in this particular aspect is working. Then if you come to the aspect of the bank, alright, you can see all this bank here. If you want to add more, you click on add, you put the bank name, the bank account name, account number, bank routing number, all of these things, you fill it, then you click on add. So that is for the admin. Alright, that's for the admin. Remember to make sure you do all of these things I'm saying here. Alright, so you can come over, then you come to site settings. You need to do some basic settings. If you want to change the name of the site, change the name of the site here. Put your site logo, put your favicon, then you put your email address, your contact email address, the phone number, the address, your currency, you select your currency. If it is euro, pounds, and the rest of them, select it. If I select euro now, then you put the symbol here, then your time zone. Then remember, you also need to set up your SMTP so that you can be receiving emails. All right, it's very, very important to set up your SMTP so you can be receiving emails. All right, so you can see all of this can be done in the admin panel. You can see the way I'm taking my time to explain all of these things to you. All right, you put all of that there. So if you want to test what you have done, you can go ahead and test it. Then if you want to enable WhatsApp, this thing that is showing there, you can see that on this website, you can see the WhatsApp is showing. If you don't want to show, if you don't want it to show, I can just come here now and disable it. All right, if I come down and click on save, all right, it will not show again. All right, it will not show again. Can you see it's not showing? So if I also want this thing to be showing here, if I want scroll down a bit, if I want what is called Telegram, you can see Telegram. If I want Telegram to be showing, I click on Telegram, then I can put it there. Just put it there at user. Alright, at username. Let me just put this for example now. Then I come down and click on save settings. Alright, if I refresh this, alright, you can see Telegram is showing. You can see Telegram is showing. Very, very easy. Alright, so if I also want to show live chat, alright, you can see live chat here. Right, if you want to show, like you can see where it says, if you want to use live chat, you enable TDO. If you want to use TDO, you enable TDO. If you want to use Smart Sub, you enable Smart Sub. Copy the Smart Sub key and you put it here. Once you put the key, automatically it will reflect. You need to start pasting the code. Once you just put the Smart Sub key here and you click on save, it will also reflect the same way the WhatsApp and the rest of them is reflecting. If you don't want it to be showing, just untick it. Then you click on save settings. Very easy. So if you want to upload your logo, come over to this side, you can see where it says fixing your logo. You are good to go. All right, you are good to go. Then if you want to change the name of the site, you can see the site name here, you can change it. Everything done from the user side. All right, from the admin side, sorry, from the admin side. Remember, you can create your logo. You can see all users, as many users that register on the website. You can see all of them here, and these all users. You can see this is the only one that is there right now. All right, this is the only one that is there. So if you want to delete it, you can delete. If you want to edit, you can as well edit here. All right, you can see that everything on this website is working perfectly. All right, working perfectly. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can build this for yourself, for your client, for your project. Okay, how you can build this particular website for yourself, for your project, for your client. So without wasting much time, let's begin. But before we do that, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, here is my YouTube channel. All I do here is very basic things. I teach you digital skills. I show you how you can earn money, and I also show you how you can thrive online. That's why I said learn, earn, and thrive. All right. So these are the things we do on the channel. All you need to do is to subscribe. All right. Hit on the subscribe button and make sure you smash the notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted on this channel. All right. Whenever videos like this are posted. So right, so without wasting much time, let's begin and let's take the process one after the other. All right, so let's begin. So from here, I'll go to my system. So here's my cPanel. All right, here's my cPanel. Okay, so from here, I'll go to my file manager. But if you don't have a cPanel, also do well to reach out to me. I will also assist you in terms of getting your cPanel. All right, so if I come to my cPanel here, come to file manager. All right, so I'll just use a particular look for subdomain which I can use here. All right, so I'll just do this, then create a folder. All right, I'll just call it Nexus. Alright, so this is the folder there. Create a folder and call it Nexus. Okay, good. I think of okay, good. So I'll create a folder. This is the folder. Open the folder. Then I'll need to upload the file inside. So I'll come to where I have upload here. You can see upload here. Then I'll come to select file. Talk like Chris. I'm not going to. Alright, so go ahead here. So I'll create my database now. Come over to this part here. You can see the database. I'll call it Nexus. I'll call it Nexus BB. Alright, I'll click on next step. Alright, so I'll still come here again, create the same thing, just use the same name. So I can Nexus BB. So come here, choose this, copy this. Alright, so I'll use this here. I'll use this here. Then I'll click on create user. Alright, very easy. Alright, good, has been created. I'll close this. Then I'll copy the files here. Alright, then come over to my file. Then come to config. You see config here. Then you see database.php. Right click and select edit. Then edit. Okay, then I will need to fill it here. So you can see it here. Alright, I will also put it there. Oh, sorry about that. Let me copy it again so I can be. Alright, so I'll come here too. Alright, so come here, paste it, then also come here, then also paste it. Good. So once I'm done, I'll go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, the same thing I just did here. I'll go back to my file manager again, then go to admin. Alright, you'll see the same thing you need to connect it to. Alright, so I'll come to where is the file here? Include. Come to include, you will see config.php. Right click on it and select edit, then edit. Alright, so also need to put it here. Okay, so come back here, remove this, paste it here, remove this, paste it there. Then in between this in between the inverted commas, also paste it there. Then I will save changes. Okay, that is how easy it is to connect your database. So I'll come back here, click on all privileges, then click on next step. Okay, so that is done. Wait for it, then come back here and click on PHP. Click on PHP, then go to PHP my admin. Alright, loading. Okay, good. So we are here now. Come to Nexus here, then come to import. Then I will click on choose file, loading. Okay, so this is how easy it is. This is how easy it is to build this kind of website. And at the end of the day, you're also going to come back to your file manager here. Alright, come back to your file manager and edit the pages you are seeing here. Right, you can see all the pages, the about us, the contact us, the index.php. You can edit all the pages. All right, this is still loading. Let's hold on a bit for this to load so we can import our database, then test run what we have done so far. So I need to upload the file and then click on choose file. All right, so if I click on choose file, this is my database here. Then I'll click on open. Okay, then come down and click on import. So wait for the file to import. You can see it's loading. Okay, so once this is done, we can test run what we have done so far. Before we now go ahead and log into our admin and the rest of them. All right, as you can see, it has been imported. You can see all the content has been imported. So just click on it so you can see all the files. All right, you can see all the files here. So what you're going to do, you can edit the default information that is there. All right, to your own details. Okay, very easy and very simple. Okay, so now let's test run what we have done so far while waiting for that to load. So I'll paste it here. Okay, loading. Good, you can see our website is up and running. Okay, our website is up and running. So okay, this is loading. Our website is up and running. Now, if you come back to the same file, you will see the installation guide there. So if you right click on it and select edit, okay, I click on edit. Okay, so it's loading. Good, you can see For database connection, you can see config the database, which I showed you. For that, you also need to edit the admin on. Then the admin URL is this: your site URL /admin /login.php. The default information is admin and this. So remember to cross check everything you have in there. All right. So don't be in haste. Check everything. Take your time and go through everything one after the other. It's very easy and straightforward. Okay. So click on this now. So this is still loading. So the password is encrypted. So once you are changing everything, make sure to put it in encrypt. So all of this thing is encrypt. So you can see the file is up and running. You can see it's up and running. Then let's also check our admin. Remember I told you. Okay, let's come over to this part here. Admin /login.php here. Okay, put it there. So you can see this is the admin. Then you put your username and you put in your password. You are good to go. So once you're able to do that, you have something like this. So this is the admin, like I told you before. You log into the admin, you have every information I explained to you before. Then also this is the user side. I've also explained everything to you in the beginning of this video. I'm also taking time to explain everything to you here. All right, just take your time, follow the process one after the other, and you achieve the same result at the end of the day. Now, without wasting time, let me also show you how you can edit all the details there. So if you look at the site here, you can see the information. Okay, you can see the home, right, login and every other part here. So you go back to your file manager. All right, if you come here now, you can see the index.php. You are going to edit it. You are going to also edit the contact.php, the about.php. All right, so just take your time and go through all these files inside. Take your time and go through all these files, cross check everything, both the admin side, the the admin, yeah, check all the payment gateway, the wallet address, check everything. Take your time and confirm every of the details in the website. So don't be in haste. That's why I told you in the installation guide here. Take time, ensure to cross check everything you have there. Don't be in haste. All right, don't be in haste. Take your time, do a proper job, and at the end of the day, you'll be glad you did. So for the logo, you can see it here. You can come to the admin here. Once you log into the admin, you can change the logo. Right, I'm still waiting for this to load up. Alright, good. So if you want to edit now, come to the admin. You can see the admin here. Alright, so you can see, just click on this. Alright, if I want to edit this now, just remove this. So I just say, okay, sorry. Alright, so you can see this one too. Alright, so just do this. Then come over to this part here and select, you can see encrypt. You can see, where is it? You can see encrypt here. You can see encrypt. Alright, you click on encrypt. You can see that. Then you go ahead and click on go. Alright, click on go. You can see that. So now let me show you here. Let me show you here. So I'll come over to this part now. All right, I'll put in, okay. All right, so we'll do that. Okay, good. I'm logged in now, so I'll just close it. Can you see what I'm showing you now? So you can see the way it is, everything is working perfectly. So you can as well take your time, follow the same procedure, and you achieve the same result I have here. All right, so like I told you before, here's our YouTube channel, and make sure you follow the process, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have any challenge or the rest of them, drop in the comment section. So if you want to get access to this particular file, all you need to do is to reach out to me via the number showing in the description of this video, and you have access to this file. All right, thank you guys, and see you in my next video. All right, thank you guys, and see you in my next video.